Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the environment so nothing interrupts automation. Open the Excel workbook you'll use and sign into the Outlook profile. Once done, enable the Developer tab and set macro security to allow signed macros or trusted access. You need the Visual Basic for Applications Editor to be accessible, so make sure Excel isn't running in protected view. Also, check that both apps are the same architecture, 32 versus 64-bit, because the object library reference depends on that. You now create the code that bridges Excel and Outlook. Open Alt plus F11, insert a module, and set a reference to the Microsoft Outlook object library. This gives you early binding and IntelliSense. Then write a sub that creates an Outlook application and a mail item. Populate to, subject, and body dynamically from worksheet cells, and attach files using attachments. Add with full file paths. Once done, use mail item. Display to review. Make sure to test on a single message before switching to mail item. Send for batch sends. Finish by testing and automating safely so you don't spam recipients. Run a single test row, review the displayed email, and then run the loop for multiple rows, adding a brief pause between sends to avoid throttling. Add basic error handling and write errors to a log sheet so you can retry failures. If Outlook blocks programmatic sends, make sure antivirus isn't interfering and consider switching to late binding or a simple MAPI fallback. Make sure recipients and attachments are correct before final send.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.